The United States has seen significant population shifts over the years, with people often flocking to big cities in search of opportunities, education, and a higher quality of life. This mass migration has led to the decline of many small towns across the country. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore 10 small towns that are experiencing depopulation, economic challenges, and other issues that have led to their residents leaving in search of better prospects. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Welch, West Virginia. Nestled in the rugged terrain of West Virginia, Welch embodies the quintessential American small town, though its charm has been increasingly tarnished by the relentless tides of economic hardship. For decades, the coal mining industry served as the lifeblood of this community. But alas, the once thriving industry has progressively withered away, leaving behind a vacuum of employment opportunities. As the local job market has shrunk, many Welch residents have been compelled to cast their nets wider, embarking on journeys that take them far from their beloved hometown. The town's educational and healthcare systems have also suffered, further prompting residents to consider relocation. Number 2. Detroit, Michigan. Detroit, once a symbol of industrial might, finds itself facing a sobering reality. While not a small town by any stretch of the imagination, Detroit has experienced a precipitous decline in recent decades, akin to the fading twilight of a once vibrant star. The city, historically renowned for its automotive industry, has grappled with economic challenges following the downturn of the manufacturing sector. This seismic shift has propelled a significant segment of the population towards the exit signs, as they seek refuge from high crime rates and a beleaguered school system that fails to provide adequate educational opportunities for their children. Number 3. Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. Aliquippa, Pennsylvania, with its storied past as a thriving steel mill town, is a poignant reminder of the transitory nature of economic prosperity. As the steel industry in the region faced an inexorable decline, the repercussions reverberated throughout the community. The closure of steel mills, once the epicenter of employment, led to a cascade of job losses. This, in turn, drove a substantial portion of Aliquippa's populace to broaden their horizons and embark on quests for employment and financial security in more fertile territories. Number 4. East St. Louis, Illinois. East St. Louis, Illinois grapples with a multifaceted predicament that encompasses poverty, crime, and an education system in dire straits. These inauspicious factors have coalesced to create a disheartening narrative, one in which residents find themselves increasingly compelled to bid adieu to their hometown in search of safer and more prosperous surroundings. The exodus of residents, often motivated by a fervent desire to escape the clutches of adversity, has left an indelible mark on this struggling town. Number 5. Camden, New Jersey. Camden, New Jersey, despite its proximity to the bustling metropolis of Philadelphia, stands as a testament to the elusive nature of revitalization. This once promising city has been unable to attract businesses, investments, or opportunities to stave off its descent into economic malaise and a steady exodus of residents. High crime rates serve as a perpetual specter, further driving the populace to contemplate relocation as they seek shelter in environments offering both safety and economic stability. Number 6. Flint, Michigan. Flint, Michigan, etched its name into the annals of American history for all the wrong reasons. The Flint water crisis, a harrowing tale of lead-contaminated drinking water, exposed residents to a shocking betrayal of trust by those entrusted with their well-being. Coupled with economic decline and a job market in the throes of attrition, this environmental catastrophe has compelled a multitude of Flint's residents to uproot their lives in pursuit of more salubrious living conditions. Number 7. Youngstown, Ohio. Youngstown, Ohio, bears the scars of a bygone era when steel manufacturing fueled dreams of prosperity. However, as the steel industry's fires dwindled, the town found itself in the throes of an economic freefall, leaving in its wake unemployment and depopulation. The allure of brighter horizons has pulled many residents away, contributing to the town's ongoing struggle with depopulation and economic stagnation. Number 8. Gary, Indiana. Gary, Indiana, once a beacon of industry and opportunity, now grapples with an amalgamation of issues ranging from crime and poverty to the inexorable erosion of its industrial base. The town's history as a steel powerhouse now seems like a distant memory, as the decline of manufacturing jobs continues to push its residents to seek refuge in locales that promise a more promising future. Number 9. Chester, Pennsylvania. Chester, Pennsylvania, confronts an uphill battle characterized by elevated poverty rates, education dilemmas, and the ever-looming specter of crime. These challenges have coalesced into a disheartening narrative that has driven many of its residents to make the heart-wrenching decision to abandon their roots in search of greener pastures. Number 10. Cairo, Illinois. Cairo, Illinois, perches at the confluence of the Ohio and Mississippi rivers, a picturesque location that belies its struggles. The town has contended with economic decline, periodic flooding, and a steady drain of population over the years. These compounded challenges have made it increasingly arduous for Cairo to retain its residents, let alone attract newcomers seeking respite and opportunity. Conclusion. These 10 small towns scattered across America share a common thread of adversity, with their dwindling populations and economic hardships serving as stark reminders of the daunting challenges they face. Factors such as the waning of traditional industries, soaring crime rates, beleaguered educational systems, and the scarcity of gainful employment opportunities have collectively sounded the clarion call for residents to seek out more promising prospects elsewhere. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.